Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2013 Dodge Avenger. It's silver with a black cloth interior, 81,000 miles on it, part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. $81,000 miles on it. Seats are really clean. Leather cloth interior, not leather. And we service all the credit tiers: good credit, bad credit, no credit. Got a program for everybody. We report your payments to the credit bureaus to help you establish, reestablish, whatever your situation is. We work with tax IDs, job letters. Can't get full coverage insurance, not a problem. We've got a program for you. And we're here 7 days a week. Come on down, ask for Tom, Nick, Paul, JC, and we'll be happy to set you up on a test drive.